have 100 grand for bet. That foul I bet fan. Who are coming in the game?
Me any no. 100 G?
Yeah man, 100 grand. See?
Alright, me I bet on a white tail one.
Alright.
Yo, when you judge the money, I judge a fool the money.
100 grand that.
Yeah, 100 G.
See what I'm going on.
Alright, I hit this, my dear. But not pay 50 or 100 boy give me. Daughter, you don't take that now tight.
Oh me? No sir.
We must catch him.
Who that?
Yo, open the door. I can't. Yo.
Oh.
Everything good, man.
So Mo, you just push the door and come in, so you sure everything alright?
Yeah man, everything good man. Everything good man. We just that try get out of the rain, you see me? To make sure say I'm gonna get wet up and catch some cool enough. So yeah, when you get your partner draw?
About Friday, you know.
Oh, Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
Well, a good day that.
By the way, me have something to talk to you about, you know. I want to talk to you about Susan sexy for you.
Alright, you are going. Something in our pipeline will come up. So as soon as I get a piece of money there, I go get it to pay Susan sexy fees in.
Make sure, you know.
Yeah.
Come I want it.
I'm know yourself, man.
You sure you're alright? You just look through the window, so.
No man, you know say I check every rain done fall cause I go outside go kinda cool out a little bit. Now it's hot man. You know.
Alright. I go warm up the food then.
Alright.